Module 2, Understanding APIs. How APIs power real systems.
Every modern system you interact with, your LMS, your bank, your food delivery app, even Google Maps, works because APIs connect systems behind the scenes. Today, we'll remove the mystery and see exactly how real systems use APIs.
Why APIs are the backbone of modern apps.
Think of APIs as highways. Apps, services, and platforms are like cities, and data travels between them using APIs. Fast, structured, and predictable. Without APIs, there's no integration, no payments, no maps, no notifications. Modern internet systems would simply stop working.
Real example 1. LMS, Learning Management System.
Let's start with an LMS. Every action a student performs triggers multiple API calls. View courses, get courses, submit an assignment, post assignment, fetch grades, get grades, update profile, put student data. The LMS screen doesn't directly interact with the database. It communicates through APIs which control what data goes in and out.
Real example 2. Payment gateways.
When you click Pay Now, the app doesn't process your card directly. Instead, it calls a payment API. The gateway verifies the payment, validates with banks, runs fraud checks, and returns a final result. The app never stores your card details. That sensitive information stays with the payment provider.
Real example 3. Map integrations.
When your food delivery app shows your rider approaching, that's an API in action, usually Google Maps. The app sends location coordinates, and the Maps API returns the route, distance, and estimated time.
Real example 4. Login with Google.
Now let's talk about Login with Google. This is powered by Google's Open Authorization API. Step 1. Your app sends a request to Google. Step 2. Google shows a login screen. Step 3. If you succeed, Google sends back a secure token, and your app uses that token to identify you. Your password never touches the app. Only Google handles it. Your app receives a token, not your credentials.
Real example 5. ERPs and university systems.
In universities, things get even more complex. They often use ERPs to manage official student data. When an LMS needs student data or course rosters, it doesn't read the ERP database directly. It calls the ERP's private APIs. This keeps access controlled, safe, and trackable. Today you learned how APIs power real-world systems, LMS platforms, payment systems, maps and tracking, OAuth logins, and ERP integrations. APIs are the glue that lets complex ecosystems work together. Now that you understand how APIs power the world, the next question is, how do APIs stay secure?